packed this bag, skincare, biotins and probiotics. The beds. Hello, hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing fine. I'm also doing fine. Today is 31st of December. Today night, midnight, that's when we're ending this year 2025 and we are going to 2026. We are traveling, we are going to Liwa. In case you're from UAE, Liwa is like a desert. I decided to take you along with us. I've already packed. We are going for only 2 days and I've packed my things. I'm going to show you in a minute. So let's go. I packed this bag, this one here, and I have my hoodie. I know in the evenings it's cold. And then my towel. Down there I have like 2 types of outfits. I have my bras, my panties. I didn't pack a lot because it's only 2 days. Here, my skincare. This is my toothbrush. Yeah. And also here, this is also my skincare, the things that I use. The reason I brought these 2 perfumes is because they are all remaining little, very little. So I decided to bring 2. I know it is going to be done. And then my phones. This is a lip balm. So my phone, my charger, my AirPods. I'm going to put them in this bag. Yes, so not forgetting my supplements, my biotins and probiotics. I also carried them. That's check. Guys, let's go to Liwa.
ما في جبل. الجبل هذا شفت قاعد نصعد المغرب وتروح بعد صعدوا مرة ثانية ما قاعد أصعد.
After almost 3 hours on the road, we have finally reached. So I'm just going to give you a quick tour, just small like this, because there are people already that we found there. We are not the only ones that are going to be staying here. So it's like a family thing. There's a lot of people, like maybe 6 families. That's why I don't want to be too much, like to be doing too much. So I'm just giving you a quick tour. That's how the outside looks like. They have 3 tents, so we are going to be sleeping in one of them, and I'm going to give you a tour. So this is one of the tents. Here it is on the back side, and then this one, it is where they hold their prayers, and there's like a fireplace. Whenever it is cold, they just come here and sit, make fire and sit around, drink coffee, drink chai. They call it karak here, chai with milk. This is the fireplace, you guys, as you can see. So I'm just showing you here, you guys. They have a picture of falcon, you guys, there on the wall. It's not a wall on the tent, the wall of the tent. They have a picture of falcon. There is actually a falcon. I'm going to show you guys. So here where I'm going to show you is where we are going to be sleeping. This is a tent. It's a small tent for housemaids. So this is where we are going to sleep, guys. This is the coldest place that I've ever been to, and if we come back here, I will not sleep here. I'll go inside. I'm telling you, it was cold at night. Like, I'm telling you, very cold. So guys, this is a falcon. It looks so innocent and it has no problem, by the way. So this is the next morning after the new year. This is the first day of 2026, you guys, and I was waking up. This is the morning routine of me in the desert, you guys. So I was just waking up. It was so cold. I didn't change my clothes. I didn't shower that night because it was very cold, very cold, I'm telling you. So here I was just preparing where I slept, putting everything back, because that day we were living there, coming back home. So as I prepare my things, I just want to say thank you so much to each and everyone that subscribed to my channel this year and other years. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And to those people who keep coming, watching my videos, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and telling other people to subscribe, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Please, if you're new, subscribe to the channel and join the family, and you never know, you might learn something, one or two things from this channel. I really love you guys. And for this year 2026, I will be uploading every Sunday and Wednesday. Please make sure you turn on the post notification so that when I upload any video, you'll be notified. Thank you so much, you guys. I really appreciate. You don't know how much I feel like ever since we restarted again, like we rebranded my channel, I've been receiving a lot of love from you guys, and I appreciate that. You know, sometimes when you were used of getting 1k views, 2k, 5k, 10k, and then you restart again, you start getting 30, 50, 100. Sometimes you feel like you want to give up, but whenever I read your comments, you guys, I feel so blessed, and I feel like, yeah, I need to continue creating content for each and everyone. So if you're there and you have something that you would like to watch on this channel, please comment down below and tell me. I'll do that for you. You ask, I will give you whatever you want. That's how we entered the new year, and it was massive. It was so good. So we are here, you guys. Like I told you, this place is called Liwa, and it's desert, you guys. The whole entire place is sand, so it's a desert place. We came here, I think today evening. We are going back home Happy New Year. See you in my other videos, and I pray that you be blessed for the entire year. May God bless you abundantly. Thank you so much for your love, your support, for loving me this whole year 2025, for showing me love. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope to continue seeing you on my channel, and I love you guys. Bye.